Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to be looking at this really cool effect, basically for securing your image. So what we are going to be building in this is basically a custom modifier. Once again, yes, custom modifier. And in this one, what we're going to do is we're going to secure our image. So as you can see, this image is secure. Now you can secure it with the password or anything like that for your program according to your need. But what I've done is basically when you tap on it, you actually show the image, and when you tap on it again, you lock it back. Okay. So all this is going to be done using a view modifier, a custom view modifier that we're going to create. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create, I don't need this preview, so I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to create a struct with secured modifier. A new modifier is going to be inheriting from view modifier, and it's going to have a state, is going to be true, hiding true initially, and then you're going to have your body that you can override, and we're going to create a z stack with alignment to be center. Okay, then we're going to say if hide is true, you're going to say content dot layout priority 1 blur, and radius is going to be 20 dot clipped. Okay, and then we're gonna say a b stack that we need to show this image, basically the padlock and the text, image system name lock dot circle dot foreground color is white, text is going to be secured tap to open, like that. And then we're gonna have font, let's give it a caption font, foreground color to be white. Okay, so that's our if condition, else we're gonna show the content. That's simple. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply on tap gesture with animation, and the animation, so we don't need to result type in, and the animation is going to be self.hide.toggle, like so. Okay, now let's go ahead and create an extension for in the view. So extension view, and we're gonna call this one secure, and it's going to return some view. Okay, and we simply gonna say we don't need return statement for single statement if we have self.modifier secured modifier, like so. And then next up is our basically the content that we want to create. VStack, we're gonna say image 1, resizable, scale to fit, secure, corner, we're gonna use our corner radius 1 that we used, that we created, so we're gonna say 100, and I need dot bottom left and top dot top right. Okay, and let's give it some padding and go ahead and run this. So what this is going to do basically is going to create this z stack that's going to basically initially hide our image, and basically let me show you that we are seeing at the right file. Okay, so you're gonna notice, there we go, we have a new effect, and that's what we have for the image. I like the top right better. let's recreate that. And there we go, our leaf is back. And when you tap on it, you actually open it. When you tap again, you close it. And that's the effect that we have actually created just in a few lines of video, few lines of code, using a view modifier. And we extended that into our view so we can apply it just like any other regular view modifier inside SwiftUI. So hopefully you found this video useful, and thanks again for watching. I will see you guys in next video. Thank you.